You sit down at your desk and the monitors stay dark. You pull the cable out and jam it back in while crossing your fingers. We have all been there. It is the frustrating morning ritual of the modern professional. You are fighting against a piece of plastic and wire that is supposed to make your life easier, but instead decides to take a nap. This latest release from the world of desktop connectivity aims to end that specific brand of misery once and for all. It is a sleek black box that acts as the central nervous system for your entire office setup. Instead of a mess of tangled cords, you get a single point of entry for every peripheral you own. The biggest change here is not just about having more holes to plug things into. It is about the technology hidden under the hood that manages how data and power flow to your machine. This new hardware supports the latest high-bandwidth video standards. That means you can run multiple high-resolution screens simultaneously, without the flicker or lag that usually comes with older setups. If you are someone who needs 3 or even 4 displays to keep track of your spreadsheets and browser tabs, this unit handles that burden with ease. The power delivery has also seen a significant boost. It provides a massive amount of energy through that single main cable to charge almost any standard business laptop on the market. You can finally leave that heavy charging brick in your backpack for when you are actually on the road. This creates a much cleaner workspace. A clean desk often leads to a clean mind. For the folks working in tech support, this device is a total game changer. It includes specialized management features that let a company track the hardware across a massive corporate network. They can wake your computer up from a distance to install updates or check the hardware health without you even being in the room. This includes features like hardware identity pass-through and remote wake-up signals that make the entire office run more like a well-oiled machine. Now, you might be wondering if you truly need to go out and buy this right now. If your current hub is working perfectly and your screens never flicker, you can probably wait. The speed jump is noticeable, but it might not be life-altering for everyone. However, if you are struggling with an aging hub that keeps dropping your internet connection or failing to recognize your mouse, this is the fix you have been waiting for. It is built on the newest universal connection standards, which are much more stable than the ones from just a few years ago. It solves the compatibility headaches that used to drive people crazy. This is not the kind of technology that people show off to their friends. It is not a flashy smartphone or a high-end gaming console. It is practical, hardworking gear that does its job so you can do yours. The highest praise you can give a piece of equipment like this is that you forget it even exists. When everything just works the moment you plug it in, you regain those lost minutes of your morning. You stop being a part-time hardware technician and start being a professional again. It is about reclaiming your focus and trusting that your tools will actually support you. This is the definition of a silent upgrade. It is an investment in your own sanity and a promise that your desk will be ready whenever you are. This isn't about chasing the next shiny object. It is about solving a problem that has plagued office workers for over a decade. Everything is streamlined and simplified. The reliability of the network connection through the built-in port is another massive win. It provides a stable link that doesn't drop during important video calls. When you factor in how much time we spend at our desks, having gear that respects your time is priceless. It turns a cluttered nightmare into a professional workspace that just stays out of the way.